All right, y'all. Rock out here. Got another American 1100. Gonna open this thing up and maybe gut it, see what's in it. Got a full set already. Okay, open already. Some of these American 1100s are so easy, and some of them are god awful. I don't think bidding really matters too much. I think a lot of it is the give me a second. I think a lot of it is what's actually in it, spools, serrated, so on and so forth. Take a look at this thing and see what's in here. This one was surprisingly easy, actually. I'm gonna use a pinning tray my brother made and plug follower my brother made. He has a Discord shop. I posted a video the other day showing off some of the stuff that he's made, and he's doing a really good job. Really liking the stuff that he's making. Okay, get this C-clip off. These things are so greasy. I should have thought of that. Grab paper towels or something, but oh well. C-clip off. What am I doing? There we go. Okay. Set that there. Another problem with these is when they're so new and so greasy, they are kind of tough to get these pins out. These are coming out pretty good, actually. And I did all those backwards, just habit. So I have to keep that in mind whenever I go to put it back. Got a spool for one. Got a serrated in 2. Got a spool in 3. Nothing in 6. It's a regular American 1100. That is 5. And another spool in 4. 3 spools did not get much counter rotation for that having 4 spool pins. And normal springs here. Let me get you zoomed in. Let me try a couple different things here. There we go. Do it like that. Give you a good look at the pins. And the pinning tray my brother makes. Love that thing. Love the plug followers. Get you zoomed back out here. All right. Let's see. I'll put it back together real quick, just because everybody likes these 1100s. I think they're good, but I think they could be better if the core was a little cleaner on them. And my biggest gripe are these springs. They seem to wear out incredibly fast, and they're finicky. So put this back together. Just wanted to add a new one, and thought we'd play with it a little bit. So that is 3 spools and 2 serrated pins in this one. Surprised that I didn't get more counter rotation, false set and stuff out of that one. That one picked incredibly easy for what was in it. Honestly, kind of thought it might have only had 1 spool in it, getting it opened up there like that, but it indeed had 3. Get over that spool pin. Come on. There we go. All right. Get these key pins back in. Of course, all the key pins on these 1100s are serrated. I wish they would come loaded 6 pins, but they do not. I don't know why, but they don't. So, no matter how often I do this, I don't feel comfortable doing it. There we go. C-clip back on. I think it's good to gut locks as often as you can. I mean, once you do it, you've done it. But I like seeing how things work, taking them apart, putting them back together again, so on and so forth. Come on. This one is not wanting to throw back in. Sometimes they put so much damn Loctite on these things that, yeah. There we go. There we go. Just a out of the box American 1100. Straight to the point. That's about all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Super appreciative to everybody that's subscribing and watching and commenting. It's awesome watching the channel grow, and just really appreciate everyone. Did not expect this when I started this YouTube channel, and just really appreciate everyone. Anyway, that's about all I got. American 1100. Thank you guys for watching.